Say go.
Go.
Hey guys, and today I'm not on another YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing Mentos and Coke in a Coke bottle. And you guys already know what you might know, but make sure you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. What do you think? What will happen? Like, what will come in our face or anything? It will explode. Well, yeah. Explode, but if it comes in our face or something.
My dad's gonna do it today.
So you guys might have done this before. I have, and so I'm just gonna be showing you how to do it. So you take these Mentos, they have faces on them, and you just put them into the Coke, and it's gonna take a couple seconds for it to like bubble up. So we're gonna take these Mentos and then we put it in the Coke. So, and my brother is in the YouTube channel right here. And are you ready to put it in? Okay. Okay, put them in fast. You go first.
Whoa!
Whoa. It feels so bubbly. Wait. Like, give me one?
No, hold on. Let's do it again.
Put it in. Put it in.
Get in there.
Whoa.
Giovanni.
Oh, my nose.
All right.
Say thank you.
Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Come on, do it.
It feels so weird. Here. Shake it.
Say thank you.
Here.
Giovanni, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say thanks for watching Brianopolis channel.
Thank you for watching my channel, not his, not the camera. Don't say stop! Don't do that. And we'll see you in the next video.